Hello, Sanbonani. My name is CBO. Thank you so much for joining me on this video. Today we are making a moist carrot cake. Let's begin. Preheat the oven to 160 degrees Celsius or 320 Fahrenheit. In a bowl, mix and beat eggs with sugar. 4 to 3 minutes on low speed. These settings are for a dense, moist cake. Please check the description box for a list of ingredients and more information. May I ask that you do not skip the ads so I can make revenue? That would be support appreciated. Add vanilla essence or vanilla extract, then oil, and continue mixing, but not for long. This is how you measure if you don't have a scale. You fluff the flour, scoop with another utensil, not the same measuring cup, then pour on a measuring cup. Do not pound it down, let it be. Heap it with the flour, then level it with a flat object like a knife, back of the knife. Sift flour into the bowl, then add the baking powder, salt, and the baking soda or bicarbonate of soda. Mix on low speed or use a spatula or spoon and stop before all the flour has disappeared. This is done to avoid overmixing. Scrape the sides of the bowl and mix. Wash, peel, trim the carrots, then grate them. Set them aside once you've grated them. Grate the fresh nutmeg or use a store-bought one. Mix the nutmeg, ground cinnamon with the carrots, zest and orange. These utensils were not effective. I tried this one too, and only it was like, I went back to my old school grater. And if you want fine zest, after this grating with this grater, you can use a knife and a chopping board to chop it further, but there was no need really. I will buy the proper zester. Mix the orange zest with the carrots and stir them until blended. Add the carrot mix into our bowl and mix with a spatula. Or before mixing, you need to add the chopped walnuts into the batter. Adding walnuts, nutmeg, orange zest is optional, but it gives great flavor to the carrot cake. Gently mix everything with a spatula or spoon to avoid overmixing. A warm welcome to those who are new to this channel. Please subscribe and press the notification bell to be part of the family and to be notified of new posts. I hope you will love it here. The quickest way for me to do this cake is to grate the carrots, the nutmeg, way ahead of time, even chopping the nuts, so that I am left with mixing and baking. Grease the sides of a baking pan, then line the bottom with a non-stick paper. It is recommended that you divide the batter into 2 pans, like using a sandwich pan, baking pan. I didn't have those pans. I used one and it became uneven. Level the batter, then tap the pan to eliminate air pockets. Then bake it for about an hour. It will be more if you're using 1 pan. Meanwhile, the cake is baking. Let's make an orange syrup. Cut the orange you've zested, then juice it. Sieve the orange juice with a strainer, then pour it in a small pan or a pot. Add sugar, then an orange essence if you have. Then stir until the sugar disappears, and we are cooking this on medium heat. Once the sugar is blended, you can increase the heat, but when it simmers, lower the heat and simmer it for 5 minutes. Then cool it entirely. I was disappointed that my cake sank in the middle. I will discuss more information in the description box. Take it out of the pan once it is cool, so you can cool it further. Cut it into 2 like a sandwich. Drizzle or brush it with cool syrup, the orange syrup we've cooked, both the slices of the cake. This is done to moisten the cake. Then set the cake aside. Let's make the frosting. Beat the softened butter for 1 to 2 minutes on medium speed. It's supposed to be fluffy. Mine was creamy. Things did not go well with this cake, but it was delicious. My family enjoyed it. I will come back to redo it. We know the drill by now. We stop and collect from the sides and mix a little bit more. Add softened cream cheese and blend it for 2 minutes. We are blending on low speed. Remember, what you see sometimes is a fast-forwarded move. Gradually stir in the powdered sugar, or what we call icing sugar, and mix for another 2 minutes. Stop, scrape the sides of the bowl and mix a little bit with a spatula. Add vanilla essence or extract and mix, but not too much to avoid over mixing. Frost both the middle and the top of the slices. Please press the like button and leave your comment below. Let me know your thoughts about this recipe. Here I had to ask my son to help me put another slice on top so I do not break it, because it is very soft once you put syrup on it. There comes the most difficult part, the waiting game. Set it in the fridge for 4 hours. Sprinkle candied walnuts and it's ready. I hope you will enjoy this recipe. Thank you so much for your time. I hope to see you soon on my next upload. Bye bye.